Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you're watching our video for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all our notifications. So today's video is the part 4 of our pre-lockdown sari kuchu orders. So starting off with this very beautiful combination yellow and brown color. I just loved the sari. So this color combination also is in my list. So when I'm shopping for my saris next time, I sure will pick up this combination. So the customer chose this super hit design of ours, and we've done it like this. It looked really gorgeous. So this next one is double color bridal kuchu, and again, like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, out of 10 saris, at least of 7 to 8 saris, we do this double arch design because that's how much our customers love that design. So all three are of same thing, like, but the color combination is different. We've gone by the colors in the sari, but beads we have used the same type of beads for all the saris, and just this last one is a bridal sari, so that is the reason we worked this heavy design. So these two designs are our super hit designs. uh, we get lot of orders with these designs. So this is next one is of an old lady. So we've just done baby tassels. So off white is in single color, the pink is with beads, this peachish red is again baby tassels, but this last one, the one in maroon, is this crystal design. It's very easy to work. I have posted a video tutorial maybe a few months ago. I'm going to link it in the I button just in case you have missed that tutorial. The design looks very pretty because of the crystals, so do give it a try, and if you happen to try any of our crochet designs, share it in our group on Facebook. So here again, it's mm, the traditional kuchu with small beads, and then we have the potli tassels. So this is like a mix of everything. So sometimes when the customer leaves it on us, we kind of choose which kind of design looks good for which sari, and I prefer to discuss it with the customer to understand if she's okay with my choice, because once the design is worked and the customer is not happy, it's not a good thing. So that is why it's always better to discuss it with them openly. Now here this thing, the complete sari was this mustard yellow color with pink and grayish blue kind of thread work in it. So we have not used the sari body color, but we've used only the contrast colors. This is again a double step crochet design. Looks very neat and nice, especially because of the crystals. So this particular design again was chosen from our catalog. So this is our other super hit design, which is just the arch, but arch on arch design is what we call this. So it's worked in double color for both the saris, and tassels are not baby tassels, it's a regular length tassels. Just to give it a little grand look, we have added gold stone chain. I'm not sure if it is visible in the video. If you observe, there is gold stone chain for both the designs. So if the designs are worked neatly, it looks very pretty. So here again we have mix of crochet and regular tassels. So we have done honeycomb, and we have used ring beads, and uh, this is a twin tassel. And here the first one, the video tutorial is updated. It's a very easy design to work, and it looks very nice because of the use of those long beads. So this last one also we've used gold colored ring and silver bead inside, because sari had both the colors of sari. So this is similar to the previous two saris that we showed, but here I have added beads in the last line. There I had not added any kind of beads, just added stone chain. Here also, to give it a grand look, I've added stone chain, and in the last step we've added beads so that it gives that gorgeous look. So this is again similar to that double layered arch what we regularly do, but I have tweaked it a little. I have added beads in the first step, and while tying the tassel I have added one bead so that it looks little grand. So the video tutorial of this design is also uploaded. I will try to link it in the I button, so do take a look. So here we have few saris with normal kuchu work. So all are different designs. So the first one is crochet. Sari had beautiful colors like green, orange and pink. So we've tried to incorporate all the colors. Actually when the sari pallu is pleated, it looks really pretty. The second one is honeycomb, but it's a high load kind of design. And then we have this next one with box kind of beaded design, and then the next are all simple tassels. So here again we have some more different designs of simple tassels. So there are a lot of designs available, and depending on the budget of the customer, you can suggest them the designs. So in case you're preparing the catalog, it is always good to segregate designs as per the prices. Say you can put up everything within 400 range in the beginning, and then 400 to 600, and then 600 to 1000, and so on. So here the first one is a beaded one, and then we have this donut design in pink and green combination. This sari was really pretty, very lightweight. And the next one is double colored, we call this as a box design. The one in red you guys see, this is, we call it as a box design. We generally use crystals for this. And then the blue one is very simple. This was a bridal sari. So this blue one had this peacock kind of color, so that is the reason I've tried to use both the blues. So this blue sari also was really pretty. And then goes this box design in pink and green, and then the donut. So most of the designs tutorial is updated. Do check out our playlist crochet tassels. You will find lot of videos, more than 100 videos in fact. So here again it's the double layered arch design, where we have used all three colors like the beige, green and pink. So these four saris, the first one you see is a tulip design, the second one is a potli design, and then goes this ring design with eye shape, looks like an eye in fact, and then the double layered kuchu. So video tutorials are all uploaded. Do check out our playlist. I am saying this again and again because as soon as I upload the video, I get a lot of messages on WhatsApp asking for the video tutorial. So most of my designs I have uploaded on how to work the design very neatly. So do take a look. Now here the next set we have this kind of beaded one in double color, like that purple and red color, and then the crochet tassel. We use silver beads wherever the sari has whenever the sari has silver zari, and gold beads if the sari has gold zari. And then comes the honeycomb design, and then the ring with crystal kind of design, and then this tube. Using tubes it looks like tatting, but it's not. And then we have this Kasu Lakshmi coin tassel and our regular arch design. So this is part 4 of our pre-lockdown sari kuchu orders. I hope you guys like the video. In case you like it, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share our videos with your friends and stay tuned until I see you guys next. Take care and bye bye.